Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Monkey Wrench. I'm Kelly, the monkey with the wrench. Today I'm going to be filming two videos. One, this is the new e-bike. You've probably seen a video on it already. I've been out playing with it, loving it. And today I'm adding a second battery to this bike. But that's going to be the next video. Because right now, here in Florida, I have a problem. I have a brand new shop and it is full of mosquitoes. And there's only one way to get rid of them, so let me show you. Please subscribe. Now outside, it's been dry. This is the end of June. I think it's like June, it's Father's Day. And it's been dry. We haven't had any rain, so we haven't had anything grow. Then all of a sudden, a few days ago, a bunch of rain popped up. All the weeds decided to shoot up as high as my dick. And weeds and a little standing water in the jet ski and the jet boat, that kind of thing, breeds mosquitoes. So today, we're going to be making a mosquito bucket of death. It's real easy to do. I'm going to show you how to do it right quick. We're going to put it here in the dark spot of the shed, and within a day or two, all the mosquitoes will be dead. A quick word about mosquitoes. Pretty easy to remember. They're dumb as shit. Only the females bite, the males do not, and they're everywhere in here. I can't spend more than 5 or 10 minutes in here without having 20 bites. I can see them flying around. So, what we're building today, the mosquito bucket of doom, is going to kill all the ones that are already adults flying around and biting me. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to make a bucket of doom that'll kill the larva. It's a little different project. Just as easy. All you're going to need is some brown sugar. There's one. Some dish detergent of any kind. And some hot water. And, oh yeah, some dry baking yeast. Now I happen to have yeast because I use it to make CO2 diffusers for my aquariums. But if you don't, yeast is about $1 a pack. And a pack will get you 3 setups like this. A 1/4 cup of brown sugar is what I use. You can use regular sugar, but brown sugar puts off a different smell that actually attracts the mosquitoes. Any kind of soap will do. And you're going to need some warm water. Not hot water. Hot water will kill the yeast, and cold water won't activate it. So just warm. I just kind of warm it up in there and then stick my finger in it, and if it feels like bath water, then it's ready to go. So all I'm going to do is take my 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Oh, you need a black container. I'm going to put a short in right here. Here I am out riding again on my way to the store to pick up black buckets to make mosquito traps to get the mosquitoes out of the shop. And in this dumpster there's 3 of them. That's $6 a piece. I saved 18 bucks. If you want to know how to make the traps, check out the channel. So as you can see, I went to the store to buy 3 black buckets today that were going to cost me $6 a piece, and found them on the way. So talk about serendipitous, I guess. So I bought breakfast instead of buying buckets. But black, because mosquitoes like dark places to hide. That's why they like this shop. At night it gets dark, there's no wind blowing through here. Even during the day with blue floors and everything, it's nice and dark in here in the shade. So they're breeding in here. So I've got my black bucket. I'm literally just going to put my brown sugar in there. You need a teaspoon of yeast, which is about what's left in this pack. 2 cups of water and a liberal squirt of this. We're going to put it all in here, mix it up real good, and then I'm just going to stick it in the corner. Mosquitoes everywhere. So I'm going to take my 2 cups of warm water, put them in my container. And don't worry if it doesn't really fill the bottom. Most people use a 5-gallon bucket. Mosquitoes can lay eggs in as little as a cap full, like a water bottle cap full of water. They're going to be drawn to it. You're going to take your brown sugar, 1/4 cup, put it in there. You're going to take your activated dry yeast, put it in there. You're going to stir it all up. The warm water activates the yeast, and the sugar is what the yeast eats. And what that's going to do is it's going to create CO2, and CO2 is what attracts mosquitoes. They find you not because you're full of blood, but because you're exhaling CO2, and they zoom in on that and they know that that's where the blood is. So this is going to make CO2 for you. Mix it up real good. I'm just using a paint stick. You can use anything. Now this is going to last for about 36 hours. But don't worry, in 36 hours, these things are going to be drawn in there like flies on shit. It's going to take about 10 minutes to activate the yeast. And it's going to start putting, I can already smell it. It smells like fresh baking bread. And then, all I'm going to do on top of that, I'm going to wait about 10 minutes. You don't have to wait. I'm going to put about a teaspoon or a nice liberal squirt of Dawn dish detergent in there. I'm going to give it a nice mix without making bubbles. And what that's going to do is the Dawn or any soap detergent breaks the surface tension. So while insects can land on top of water, like you standing on top of an ice rink, this breaks that up so they hit the water, they expect to be able to stand on it, and they just sink right in and drown. That's all the soap does. So the yeast and the sugar make the CO2, which bring in the bugs, and then when they land, they just fall in and drown, and they can't get back out. That's it. 10 minutes from now, I'll be back. I'll put the soap in, and we're done. All right, it's been about 10 minutes. Everything's settled in nicely. Smells like fresh baked bread. Now I'm just going to put a little bit of detergent in there. I'm going to give it just a little bit of a stir, nice and slow, without making too many bubbles. All you want is for the soap to find its way across the entire surface of the water. You obviously don't need a new bucket or a clean bucket. You just need a dark colored bucket. You can use a blue bucket, black bucket, just not a clear container. Now, all I'm going to do at this point is stick this in the corner where I know they are. The bucket's going to make it nice and dark for them. Don't worry, they're small. They'll find their way in. I see them flying everywhere. That's it. That's going to last about 36 hours. Within that 36-hour time, I would say 80 to 90% of the mosquitoes that are in here are going to be in there, drowned, and dead. If you want to see a follow-up video to this in 2 days, I'm going to film it, but I don't plan on putting it up because this video is not coming out for a couple of days. But if you do want to see the result and how many mosquitoes I caught, I can dump it out on a white paper towel and show you all the dead bodies. But I promise you it works. So, leave me a comment below if you want to see the result. Remember, change it every day and a half. And the next video is going to be the bucket of death for the larvae, because killing the adults means you got rid of them, but their babies are going to hatch, and you want to kill them too, and that's real easy. So, leave a like, hit the subscribe button. It's somewhere between my chin and my balls, and I'll see you soon.